In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Bookmap. To get started, open the Bookmap application on your computer and give it a moment to fully load. Before you sign out, it's a good idea to save any workspace layouts or settings if you want to keep your current setup exactly as it is. If you're connected to any active market data feeds or trading connections, stop those first if needed. This helps make sure everything is properly closed before you leave the account. Once Bookmap is ready, look toward the top right corner of the window for the Profile, Account, or User menu. The exact label can vary a little depending on your version of the app, but that's usually where account-related options are stored. Click that menu to open it, then look for the option that says Log Out or Sign Out. When you see it, click it. If Bookmap asks you to confirm, go ahead and confirm that you want to log out. Then wait a few seconds for the platform to return to the login screen. When that screen appears, check that your account is no longer signed in. That's the easiest way to verify that the logout was successful. If you don't see a logout option at all, don't worry. In that case, close the Bookmap application completely, then reopen it. Once it launches again, you should be taken to the login screen. If your goal is to use a different account, choose Switch Account from the login screen if that option is available, then enter the credentials for the account you want to use and click Sign In to continue. If Bookmap signs you in automatically and you're trying to prevent that, open the application's settings or preferences and look for an option such as Remember Me or Auto Login. If you find one, disable it. After that, restart the application to confirm that automatic sign-in has been turned off. As a final security step, if you're using a shared computer, close the app after logging out and make sure the login screen appears before you leave the device. That extra check helps protect your account and prevents the next person from opening Bookmap directly into your session. At this point, your Bookmap account is securely logged out and you're all set.